Now in this video, I want to show you how you can migrate your influencer storefront with ReviewPro. Okay, so all you have to do is go to the extension and then click Manage Storefront. And here you're going to take your URL from your storefront and copy and paste it in. So what I recommend doing is just going up to the URL when you're on your storefront, double click and click Command C on a Mac, or just copy and then paste it in there. And then after you click save, then you're going to be able to go onto your storefront and see all of the product information for the review videos that you posted already. And so it's pretty interesting. You can see the products that you've posted with in terms of if they're at the top of the product page, the bottom, or neither. And if you want like an overall view, you can click the extension button here at the bottom right and be able to see all of the product information, how your videos are actually performing, and vice versa. And you can even customize the columns on here to display all of the information or to display even just a few things. And so that's really nice, especially when you want to spy on someone else's storefront. So for example, I have a good friend, Brandon, and I'm on his storefront. If I'm ever curious as far as like, where are his products ranking? How is he doing? I can actually go to his storefront, click the scan button, and then it'll show me the products that are doing the best for him. And really that can be by ranking the pro score to the top or the bottom, or I can even go to influencer videos and rank these by the least amount of videos to the most, which is pretty insane because I can easily find products that have high demand revenue and low competition in terms of the influencer videos that I can review as well. So those are just a few features that I recommend using and be able to honestly take more advantage of the products to review. So that is how you migrate and integrate your influencer storefront with ReviewPro.